Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Edina and today's video is going to be a Vlogmas. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and also the notification so you are not going to miss any of the videos. And right now let's start today's video, which is going to be about how is Christmas in here in Hungary, how the beautiful Budapest looks like, which kind of traditions we have. So let's join to me. I'm just so obsessed with the decoration of this street right now. I think it's just stunning. All these lights, it looks wonderful. Christmas tram is one of the best things in here in Budapest during the season, and so many people are waiting in here for the tram to come. I'm also already very excited, and I think one of the best spots for waiting for the train is in here front of the parliament.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in.
Every year there is a great Christmas market in here in Vörösmarty Square. Right now, unfortunately, because of the virus, it's get cancelled, but I hope that next year we can enjoy it again because it's always so wonderful. If you want to get into Christmas mood, then there is one store in Budapest that you must visit, and this is in here in Váci utca. This is actually a flower shop, but it's always getting into a huge Christmas decoration in every year, and it's just so lovely that it's must to visit. Right now we are going to travel on a very special vehicle, which is actually Santa Claus bus, and it only runs in right now in the Christmas season. And here comes the bus. I already see it. It's here. Woo! the Santa Claus bus is not only decorated from inside to outside, but also Santa Claus is traveling on the bus. And there is also a charity in here because they are collecting gifts for kids and families in need. So if you have any kind of toys or chocolate or other kind of products, you can bring it to here, leave it on the bus, and they are going to give it for them. Look at this, all the poles look like candies, and yes, actually Santa Claus and its helper is here in the bus. So I'm so happy that we can traveling in here. Santa Claus in Hungary is coming on the 6th of December, what is pretty different from any other country. And actually the tradition in here is that we are creating small packages, originally in these red packages, and we are putting inside like oranges or nuts or also, you know, some kind of sweets. And people have to clean their shoes, and Santa Claus is going to put these packages into the shoes, and you are going to find over there in the morning when you are waking up.
Santa's little helper. Santa's little helper. We're Santa's little helpers. We make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas town. We're Santa's.
When it comes to Christmas, there is one type of cake what for sure you will find in every household in Hungary, and this is bejgli. This is actually a rolled cake what is filled with poppy seed or walnut, and right now I'm just going to show you how to create it. So the first point of the baking is preparation to get ready. Pull this on, and I have in here my old school apron, and actually there are cocktail recipes on it, so you know, if in the meantime we are going to get thirsty, I can create you something.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted.
The dough is already in the fridge and resting for a while, so right now until I'm going to create the fillings. Part of the baking is that sometimes you can also take some stuff for yourself. Walnuts, I like it. I don't know how about you, but I just love the smell of cinnamon. It's so good, and right now I'm just also make some lemon zest, and I also loved it so much, and this is just, you know, smells so Christmassy.
Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long, we're gonna dance.
Not traditional, but I'm also going to add some dried plums into the poppy seed version, because I think it just really fits well with the poppy seed. The dough is rested for 2 hours in the fridge, and the fillings are also ready, so right now it's time to put them together. the rolls are ready, they are already here in the pan, and the last step is that I'm just going to put some egg yolk on the top.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
I don't know how about you, but for me it's just so Christmassy, you know, when the oven is hot behind me, the cake is baking, and you know, you can feel these smells running around the house from the oven, and I just really enjoy this time of the year. So here is the end result. These are the bejglis. I hope you enjoyed this small baking session with me, and let me know below in the comments that what is the most famous Christmas cake in your country.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
So the first challenge is to make the tree fit into the holder. So here is my partner in crime in here.
Thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it.
Here is our small set of Christmas decoration for the tree, and in this year we are going to use golden and silver color decoration, and of course I have much more in here also in another box. So let's start to decorate the tree. I've added some winter feeling in here to the TV, and let me know in the comment section if you also have this channel and you're also using it in this time of the year.
We're falling in love.
This decoration is even good enough for earrings. I hope, ladies, you already all of you tried it. Bling bling.
We're together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey!
So guys, we already went around the city, we saw the lights, we have a great cake, and we also have a Christmas tree ready right now. So I think we are just officially can start the Christmas season. I hope you enjoyed this small preparation with me. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. And I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a wonderful time with your family and friends. See you guys.